Winston Ye and his shop, Rough Crafts, are one of the more well-known custom motorcycle design houses in the world. Major OEMs regularly commission custom builds to highlight the custom potential of their platforms and inspire current and future customers, which he does very well. Ye is based in Taipei, Taiwan, an incredibly populous city with wildly dense traffic and incredibly strict vehicle modification laws. Once a bike is 5 years old, it's required to have annual inspections and compared to a picture of the stock machine. Too much change from the stock picture and it won't pass inspection. Tenere's steel subframe was cut off and replaced with the aluminum YZ450F unit. Utilizing the Tenere and YZ frame similarities and integrating mounts for all the plastics while still managing a functional 6.8-liter capacity. A set of Öhlins RXF 48S forks with flat track race-spec height and tuned for the Tenere 700 weight. Faber found a nice little spot for the preload adjustment next to the engine, adding both function and style. And last but not least, Roland Sands Design flat track racing wheels were set with Rough Crafts graphics. So, what do you think about this Tenere 700 modification? Please like, comment, and subscribe for the latest updates about the world of motorbikes.